Hi guys, we're Chocolate
Ice cream!
Today we're gonna do experiment about how the static electricity affect the water flow.
So we need dry cloth, an awl, and plastic ruler and comb, and water bottle.
First of all, we just punch this water bottle in the bottom so that later we can put the water and make the thin water flow from the bottle. This is because too thick water flow cannot be affected by the static electricity. So let's do it. Oh, it's hard. Oh. So this is the small hole that I made in the bottle. So now we're just make the static electricity using tools and then see how the water flows affected by the static electricity. So I'm not sure you can see, but this is the hole that I just made. So first I will cover this bottle, this hole with the tape so that later we can take off and make the water flow. So yes.
So now we will see how the number of rubbing affect the strength of static electricity. As we rub the plastic ruler with the dry cloth, plastic ruler get negatively charged and dry cloth get positively charged. Before rubbing, they both have neutral charge, which means that the amount of protons in the nucleus is the same as the amount of electrons orbiting the nucleus. As we rub, the negative charges are transferred from dry cloth to the plastic ruler. The negative charges of the cloth are not as tightly bound as the negative charges of the plastic ruler. Therefore, the negative charges of the cloth are removed over to the plastic ruler. As the plastic ruler gains more negative charges from the cloth, the number of negative charges is greater than the number of positive charges, so we call it as negatively charged. As the cloth, it loses negative charges, so the number of positive charges is more, so we call it as positively charged. So now, I'm gonna rub for 10 times first and see how it affects the water flow.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go.
I checked for 10 times, but it affects nothing. So we're gonna do 50 times first.
We're counting.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 30. 50.
Okay. So we're just right now move on to the 1, 2, 3.
Okay, no effect. I think there was problem in the clothes, so I changed to handkerchief, and now I'm going to do 50 times rubbing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20, 30, 40, 50.
Okay.
Let's get started. Okay.
So we think that the rubbing rulers doesn't work that much. So we'll change the tool with the comb and we'll try again. So Miss Ice Cream will comb her hair and try to make the static electricity. Let's go. So let's go, we'll try. Does it work?
No.
Wow! Still, we cannot affect the water flow. We change the tool from cone to the water balloon to make the static electricity easier. So let's go. So now we'll try again. Does it work? Not sure.
No, I think it's not working.
So this is the metal pipe. I use this instead of the ebonite stick. I'm not sure it works or not, but we'll try. Since this is the metal, and metal is the conductor, it is easily, it has a lot of electrons, and the electrons are easily moved to one side or another. So when I rub this pipe to what is this? Towel, then the electrons in the metal will move to here. So I'll try. Let's go.
So as we failed with metal pipe, we'll try with plastic folder and wool type cloth.
So we rub a lot, so we'll try if it works or not. Ruler.
Since the water flow is too fast, we will cover the top of the bottle a bit to control the water flow. So let's try another one.
Oh, can you see? Oh, cut it a little bit, Can you see? 오! 됐는데. 우와, 좀 휘어. Instead of the plastic roller, we use this plastic folder. And as we rub this plastic folder with the dried cloth, the negative charge, the electrons in the dried cloth, move to the plastic folder. And when we put near this plastic folder into the water stream, the negative charge in the folder attracts the positive charge in water. So the direction of water bends toward the folder.
Since it was hard to make static electricity, instead of the number of rubbing, we just check it affects the water flow or not.
So this was the experiment about how rubbering the plastic folder make the static electricity, and it caused the water to bend toward this folder.
Yeah.